Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and here I am sharing my giveaway for the um, gingerbread Christmas collaboration hosted by Jamie, who's Poet Spice here on YouTube. And I want to say thank you to Jamie and for all the lovely um, collaborators allowing me to join in um, on the fun. It was lots of fun. I enjoyed it. It got me crafting again. It got me to do different items, different things that I normally wouldn't do. I would just stick in my norm. Okay, so I agreed to um, give away my two snow globes that I created for the collaboration. So each one of those I'm going to give away one for one of the videos in September and one of the videos in October. I'm also giving away my candy cane ornament that I also did for the collab for each winner. So one red one and one green one. And then I'm going to throw in my little pumpkin, my shabby pumpkin embellishments that I did for the Crafty Dares. I thought I had them here and I will give it away with my package on my giveaway. So let me move these aside here so you can see I'm going to be using um, YouTube comment picker, and I'm gonna maybe I should do it this way. Nope. Let's see. I don't know if that's gonna be better. I have one of the video's URLs in here, and I am going to select for the pink Christmas tree. This is for the month of September video, and I just randomly picked a video. So let's get YouTube comments. And then I think it's, oh, where did it go? Okay. And then I'm going to press start. And the first winner will be Angela Wilson. Yay! You're going to get the shabby Christmas tree. Okay. I need to write that down before I move on. So bear with me. So that's exciting. Angela Wilson. Yay. Okay. Shabby tree. Angela Wilson. And then the camper is. All right. So what I'm going to do is go to my YouTube channel. Hello. And I'm going to just randomly pick a video. Let's see. Get that out of there. And I'm just going to randomly pick let's do this 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do the first video in October. Let me pause it, and I'm going to share, copy, and then let's go back to YouTube, and I want to clear this URL and then add a new one. There we go. And get YouTube comments. Okay, there were 28 comments. And let's go and do start. And the winner for the camper globe, snow globe, is Miss Martini Girl. Won! Yay! Oh, great. That is so awesome. Okay. Wow. Congratulations to Angela Wilson and Miss Martini Girl. And I think her name is Sue, if I'm not mistaken. Please, ladies, please email me. My email is in the description box below. Send me your address and I'll get these gifts to you, or your winnings out to you as soon as possible. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.